Classical Conversations would like to thank pastors in the U.S. and around the world for fighting the good fight and shepherding their flock. Classical Conversations believes pastors are underappreciated. And so this October, during Pastor Appreciation Month, we want to say thank you. Thank you for being diligent. Thank you for following the Lord's calling on your life. Thank you for all the work you do in empowering your community to love God. We know that pastors have a lot on their plate, and they often don't hear the simple words, thank you, enough. And so from Classical Conversations, we want to thank you for the work that you are doing in fulfilling the Great Commission. Classical Conversations exists to know God and to make Him known. And our goal is to help your congregation integrate a biblical worldview with their life so that they can live that out on a daily basis. Avodah is the Hebrew word with two meanings, work and worship. And so we believe that pastors' work is their worship, and that's the same for our work. Since 1997, Classical Conversations has helped pastors and their churches fulfill their mission, provide biblical worldview training for K through 12 for committed Christians and homeschooling communities. I want you to know that Classical Conversations prays for pastors and churches continually. We know we're on the front line of a spiritual battle where the enemies come to kill, steal, and destroy. We also know Jesus sits on the right hand of God the Father and has given us work to do here on earth to fulfill the Great Commission. So thank you for fulfilling your calling and equipping the saints. God bless.